Hey friends, Brent back with Lift Free and Tool On. Today we're going to do something a little different. This right here, that is a drone. And we need to take a look a little bit closer at it. So let me just adjust the camera down just a little bit here. So this right here is the Ruko U11 Mini Pro. It's like under 249 grams. But if we take a look at it in here, it is really, really small. Super, super light. It fits right there. The remote's right here. You got two little handles right there. You got some cords right here, all this stuff. And this is really cool. So if I just take that out, I do this, I do that, I take this, I take that. Look at that. Look how small that is. That's actually really, really cool. Now, listen, I have a confession to make. I don't fly drones. In fact, I'm not even a noob. I'm just unknowing about drones. So whenever they contacted me, I said, sure, I want to give it a shot. I want to try this drone out. So, you know what? I'm going to give it a shot. How the battery works is you click it down here at the bottom. Comes right out. That's your battery. You can just click it right in. It says, oh, by clicking it's in there. This right here, you pop this off. And I want to be careful. So this is cool. This comes out just like that. You have a camera. This is a 4K camera. It takes like 8K pictures. This is your memory card. A bunch of sensors here and all this stuff. But this is it right here. This is the whole thing. And how it works is you take your Ruko remote, you have, hold on, cinematic, normal, sport. So for our purposes, we're just going to leave it normal because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've downloaded the app here. And now this is an S24 Ultra, so it's huge. But we're going to pull. All right. Now this is different. So if I get this thing ready, we're going to take these out, put them in. These are the remotes, right? Take that out, put it right here. These are little handles, sorry. And I'm going to take this. So this is supposed to connect into your phone right there. So we're going to put the phone in. And it actually fits. That's crazy. All right, I'm going to turn on my phone. All right, we've got the Ruko app going. All right, let's just do a couple things here. I'm going to screen record too, so it's a little easier for us to all see this. Let's just see here. Okay, so now we're going to be able to see it. I'm going to confirm. All I need to do is just hook this in. All right, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on by long press. Okay. Now I'm going to press this, long press this. Okay, so there we go. And it's connecting. It's connecting. It's connecting. It's connecting.
GPS mode.
Okay, so it's in GPS mode. I have the camera on, and there's a couple different ways you can do it. So I'm going to be honest, I have no idea actually what I'm doing, but I read the instructions and then it has all this really cool stuff here. So if I just want to hit takeoff, press and hold that. Okay, there we go. It says check the battery installation status. Yeah, I know the battery's good. Okay, let's take off. Oh, there it goes. Now, the cool thing about this is, I think if I long press this, okay, now it's actually recording. All right, so I'm going to go up and out. All right, this is turning. I'm actually gonna drop this down. All right, so it's in my view, but I want you to see a couple things here. So if I have this down, if I go sideways, let's go down. It's gonna go sideways like this, and then it's gonna go sideways like that. And then if I go a little lower, look at it. All right, that's how that works. See it here. So now we are looking at me. Hey, hi. All right. Now this makes the gimbal go up and down. This little button right here. So if we look at the camera, all right, it's looking down. Now it's looking up. Now I'm going to go forward just a little bit. Let's drop it just a little bit. All right, let's go across the water. See how we do. Keep it nice and steady. Oh, there we go. It's pretty stable. It's so beautiful. It's a little saturated. A little bit of wind. All right, let's go ahead and bring it back. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now we're coming straight back at us. Let's tilt the camera down. Cool. All right, I'm gonna turn it. All right, hold on. It's doing weird stuff. Doing weird stuff. Oh, it's dropping on its own. Oh God. Okay, I don't know why it was dropping on its own. That's weird. It's a little over water. All right, I'm gonna turn it. And now what I would like to do, I'm gonna put the camera up here just a little bit. The other way, I'm not very good at this, I'm so sorry. All right, that's me. All right, so now I'm gonna hit image follow. All right. Can it find me? Think lost, please select. Okay. Try it again. Image follow. Okay, it can't find me. I don't know why. All right, let's try something else. All right. GPS follow. Okay, so it should capture it. Oh, it is following me. That's actually really cool. All right, cool. Let's take a walk. All right, see how it does. Oh, it's following me pretty good. Check out the camera. It's actually pretty amazing. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, cool. All right. Well, that actually worked out really, really well. Let's turn that off. Oh, hold on. Don't know what it's doing, guys. Let's drop it down. Perfect. Bring it forward. Hello. That's so cool. All right, so let's try something else. Point of interest, angle. I was looking for orbit. I'm not sure that I can find orbit. Let's do a point of interest. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, we're just gonna stop that. All right, so I'm gonna start recording right now. Press the long hold. I'm gonna turn around and let's just go for a really nice flight. I'm getting really, really, really close. And let's just see if we can do some cinematic shots. And actually I'm gonna switch. Let's do if we can do. Okay, now it's in cinema. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure what that does. But let's just go for a ride. All right, let's first of all. Okay, it changes the gimbal. Has a really nice gimbal. This thing is super, super nice. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's drop it down just a wee bit. And let's go across the pond and let's just have a nice ride. Here we go. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, I can no longer see it. We're going to keep going. We're going up. We're going further. Wow, this is so cool. I cannot see the drone, so I have to fly. Okay, so I'm still over my property. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. It is definitely not auto landing. Oh, jeez. I tried to stop it. I don't know. Maybe I should have pressed the up button. All right, it landed in some really tall grass. Unfortunately, I don't see any damage to it, but as you all can see, this little drone right here is so easy to operate. It's so nice. And I'm not even a drone operator at all. And being that I don't need a license or anything to operate it because it's so light, the controllability is great. The little gimbal on the front of it's really hard to see, but it's right here. I'm just gonna put that on there. It's right there. 4K camera, 8K pictures, all that really good stuff. All I have to say is that 2 thumbs up. Now, does every feature work for it? No, not every feature that I could figure out how to work. Now, that could only be user operator. It could be a lot of stuff, but I will say this: for the money, less than 500 bucks, I believe it's less than $400 actually. For this, you get around 22 minutes of flight time, 4K camera. So whenever I do videos in the future and I'm testing out lawn equipment or I'm testing out power equipment, I'm looking at vehicles, I can use the drone. If I need some of that cinematic footage, I've got the drone. No matter what I'm doing or making a commercial or anything like that, what I'm going to be able to do is use the drone. And that's the great thing about this, and it's so cheap. It's great. Now, it comes with extra parts, and here's the funny thing about it. Here's the cool thing about it. This is a USB-C. However, they have micro USB and lightning cords as well. For the package you get, you put your little memory card in there, you do everything you need to do. Guess what? You have yourself one of the best drones, and if I can fly it, anybody can fly it, and that's the cool thing about this. If you all found that this video was helpful, hey, go down and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. But don't forget to share it as well, because I think everybody should be able to at least try out a little drone or helicopter, something like that. And the fact that it does videos, it has AI built into it. You're gonna have all these features like the follow me features, the orbit features. Yeah, and like I said, I may not be the best at it, but maybe it's something you've been looking for too. A different take on home movies. And until next time, my name is Brent. This has been Live Free in Toulon, and I've got to tell you, this is upping my game. I cannot wait to see you all in the next video. See ya.